Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your AI videos more interactive and engaging. Let's dive in. One big mistake is not considering viewer interaction. Engagement is key to keeping your audience interested. AI videos can be highly interactive with the right elements. So how can you make your AI videos interactive? Let me show you some easy ways to do it. Step 1. Add clickable elements. Add clickable elements like buttons and links. These can direct viewers to additional content or websites. Step 2. Use polls and quizzes. Use polls and quizzes to engage your audience. Ask questions and let them interact directly with your content. Step 3. Clear calls to action, CTAs. Include clear calls to action. Encourage viewers to like, comment, share, or follow a link for more information. Step 4. Test for engagement. Test your video to ensure all interactive elements work smoothly and effectively to engage your audience. Incorporating these interactive elements will lead to higher viewer engagement and interaction with your AI videos. I'm Jason, a digital clone, and this video was generated using text. Get your digital clone today at autovidai.com. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more tips on creating amazing AI videos. See you next time.